lovelies and friends, welcome to the mix. And on the mix today we have Tina. Now, Tina is still on the topic of chocolate and vanilla. And she's saying that basically they're upset that she came out and spoke about them. She had a few allegations as well. She was saying that basically they would have been the ones that would have found out where she lived and released that information. She's also speaking and referring to Chris that, Chris and Chocolate, they're very good friends and, things could have happened between them. Guys, it's not my words. You have to go ahead and go catch the video. Hear what Tina has to say about this and more. And she's saying that Chris basically was upset as well that she moved. So, guys, catch the video and like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and remember to always hit that notification bell there so that you know when I post. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday, and I wish you prosperity and peace beyond all measures and everything that your heart desires this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, whoever you may call me, and my subscribers, how can I forget you guys? Thank you so much for subscribing. Have yourselves a beautiful day today. It's a wonderful Tuesday. Happy Tuesday.
No, all of them look the same. Oh, you never come out and say, you never sleep on flower bag. But as you hear something, I hear them now, I come out with rumor. True, me chat that shit about her and it lick her at like she get a big stone. Then I come out, oh, you're homeless. Suffer. Bitch chocolate. All when you go down a bag walk. St. Catherine, figure of walk your over upon me. It a got turn right back upon you. No over can touch me, girl. Go away. You could have go a bag walk St. Catherine and swallow this big stone and man name the dirt and kill chicken. Can't touch me. Move from your son. Go away. Go away. Damn over there. Crazy. You saw them give them woman a support man and them slackness. You saw she quiet when them a talk about pants mouth. Nothing should I say no. Should have run out for nobody. She can't run out for nobody. Right? Can't run out for nobody. But oh, you and your husband are go on trip in 2 weeks. No. Go on the trip now. Go on the trip now. Don't go in 2 weeks. Go now. Y'all are rich. Rich with your old time furniture at the house. The way all them boys say, I'm telling you something. If them didn't have money, if them never backed up in bills, them would have update them kitchen, them would have update them furniture, them would have that paint they look like it they on the wall from night. Sorry, that paint they look like it they on the wall from the year 2000. From the house by. The orange paint they on the wall from the house by. You can't, boy. And she want people near on the table, they was she disrespect, put her big nanny over and wind up on her skin out pan. You see, you cannot eat at everybody's home. You cannot eat everywhere. Right? You see what she do? A skin out on the table. You know? At her age, if she never adapt, she should have, if she did adapt, she could have some little young babies that run up and down in the house. So she not tormented. Sorry, guys. I have the window open. She's very tormented and crazy. They a drink our sorrows away. Drink, 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 drink. Cause you're alcoholic. So if the man that there with you from your 13, that means say you get body long time, man. Lord have mercy. It's sad still. This man a on you long, long time. I don't know what she talk about how she go on vacation. But when you think about it, she and the man not sleeping at the same bed. You and the man do not sleep in the same bed, baby girl. You're going like say him and a community property. My community property. I am sure if him see me I walk past him would have look me. But I ask Christ. With him bell pepper no self. He would have look me. But I would want him still because him broke another money because him have to pay the mortgage and all those things. Him not the money, him have the mortgage to pay. You understand? The man not the money for give me. Him have bills to pay. Pack up a mortgage and stress like myself, yeah. Me would want him, brother. I would have send him on him way. Not at all. Pick up people crosses. He must be crazy. But as she going at the MLS, she going at the MLS for Chris. Find out my information. Cause she and Chris tight like Batty. Find out my information. Chris then sent the information to that one day over there, in that country there. I sent it to Noel. Chris. Chris upset some move. You see? You so upset Chris is that I move? Yeah, you see it? Yeah, him very upset. It's like him want me to tell him when me did that move. Very upset, you know. You know, so I'm upset in him feelings. Poor thing. Poor thing. Can you imagine? You come on this app here just for do some things and have fun. And you adapt some real mad people in a clean clothes. Cause what my house, you know, what does that have to do with him? Huh? What does that have to do with him? Crazy. Him sit down and in him feelings. Yes. You know, oh, and you move. And you move. Yeah, out to order, right? Oh, and you move. Well, yeah, but you know easy. What does that concern you? It's not like me come out here and I show people. What does that concern you? So you're the one that if I come help me too? Eh? You're the one that if I come help me? Eh? Them people that come on the internet go and like say them run your life like them a one gang. I said them a moving on like them. Boy, I can't wait for the feds hold on pan on a nasty ass. I want the feds for hold on pan all out. I want the feds for hold on pan Chris Dana. I want the feds for hold on pan all of them. Look pan the main character. Chocolate and vanilla. And my target not even depend them. Not even my mind. You saw it's there? My mind not even depend chocolate and vanilla and a them behind the landlord situation. Them chocolate and vanilla is behind it. Post joke. Me not laugh. Yeah, but you see how the universe work though, people. You have to be good to the universe. You see how the universe work? Alright, here what? The universe knows some of the chocolate and vanilla them nothing. Right? The universe know that. So when the universe when them did I try find out and I dig up information in the MLS and I send it out to people, the universe look and say, Jesus Christ, oh chocolate and vanilla them so wicked. Why would they be digging up stuff in the MLS to find out our address and trying to get her evicted? Why would they do that? All right, boom, boom, boom. You know what the universe do? Universe say, all right, watch me here. All right. Tina Chin, run the show, yeah, Tina Chin. I'ma run the show and the show pick up. And the second set of people will come for feature upon the show are chocolate and vanilla. And boom, just like that. The universe just show me say them husband a cheat upon them. Our husband a cheat upon her. Sure, me said her husband a cheat on her. With not just one, not just two, but multiple women. So much so, him have a outside kid. We have big woman now. You see? That's why I don't leave people alone, because look how the universe work out now. And tell me everything what go on in your life, your business, chocolate. Look there. I'm gonna move from where me there. Me not take no flight, come look for you. Nothing like that. Me not come to Atlanta, me not trespass, nothing like that. You know? I all know your name. Chocolate. I know your name. I know your name. How long did you think you were going to remain hidden, Chocolate? Under the disguise of Chocolate, the name Chocolate. How long were you going to remain hidden? Where people don't know you. How long were you going to stay anonymous? Huh? Time come. That's what my energy say. That's what God said. Time come. You alcoholic, time come. That's why you target my child. Time come. Your time come no mad ass man. Me have a feeling that she sleep with Chris still. But I put that past her. She and Chris have sex already. She probably all pay Chris for sex. You never know. Me have a feeling that she probably have pay for sex. I mean, by now, she and her husband are sleeping in the same bed no more. I mean, that's expected because, 32 years. Who's to tell she probably have the virus? You never know. You never know. So she look like a mad somebody today. Coming out behaving like a Bigfoot. My girl come out behaving like Bigfoot. And a off and puff like say she and people have real war. Me have to catch a girl, yeah. Me around you come and chat. And me, suffer. Me have to catch a girl, yeah. Now we come and chat. Like, who are you have real war, Chocolate? Like, who are you? Who is it? I was just sitting here quiet. Like, what? And I hear my phone ringing off. I'm like, what the hell is going on now? Something is happening. Do I need to get my glasses and my coat? Let me go there. She must see appear about 10 minutes after I put my newscast up. I she that. Me never catch a girl yet. I say, watch her. So them did I try start the rumor. Say me catch a people yard. That's the rumor them did I try start. And even if I was catching at somebody yard, not yeah, them say, and our people yard, even if that was the case, me not homeless. They have an obsession. Because them a try proof so them have house. So Chocolate there, bills are kill her ass. But our house is paid for. Bills are kill your Chocolate. And the fact that I come out and expose it, you turn mad somebody today. You're turning a mad somebody to backside. You frigga, you leave people alone. You think you for come out here and frig with people and people must frig with your back. Move your ass. Go call Pants Mouth. If Pants Mouth give you a hug. Last week was theme, this week was yours. Turning on one mad somebody and wind up on your table for a big cute big old man. You should be ashamed of yourself and your behavior. Yuck, too. Nasty. Nasty girl. Nasty big old man. Or you for wine and in a body. No, sir. Guys, sleep a lit me down here, man.